at the top. And that is what is happening with politicians.
When we come to the kitchen, you know.
Politicians say
Yeah, man, Top Chef in the kitchen, man. Top Chef done the place. Look at that like and subscribe. You don't know the thing, but.
So the people start to believe just like the preacher. The preacher set up on a pulpit. We are over the people them. Most of the time the preacher is over the people them. So when you talk, it sounds like the word value more than the people them.
Oh, man, we have a new recipe.
And the people them go home and believe what you say. And them don't have no investigation of one for themselves.
Yeah, dice them up.
And them not thinking for themselves. Them not critically analyzing this and analyzing that because them don't know the other side. Because most of the time we get one side of the story, we don't get the next side. And when you start to dig deep, and you start to get interested in the subject, and you start to move from one report to the next report, to the next report, to the next report, you realize that look how the people them send the people them wise them.
We are caramelize them, isn't it?
The people them actually believe something will never happen. And now we say the war has spread. The war has spread. Because you have some Arab nation there that send bomb go and blow place and a missile. And there you have them and threaten them to if we never come through the Red Sea, they say, watch me out now. America fear defend them, and we say a war, America fight again, you know, and then a proxy war again, you know.
Yeah, man,
the war them have over Ukraine and them a proxy war like them never fight the Russian them and them a fight them. No, them a war like them now fight for the Israeli them. And them a fight for the Israeli them. And people can't understand how the president of America stand up so much on the wrong side. Why America always on the wrong side?
Yeah, man, we have a caramelize something.
All the while, they take all of the
pork, you know.
The war them.
Think that joke.
America always on the wrong side. I just...
Go snack on the sack there.
Mind-boggling that people just accepting just like that. Just like that, because it comes from...
Well, go on, we're on the depot in the evening.
And preachers who them feel is either inspired divinely or politically savvy. So when a politician talk like a minister...
Yeah, man, I'm gonna caramelize some chicken juice. Big up yourself, you know. Some pork. I said chicken, my bad.
You no
caramelize it, isn't it?
Yeah, I said, look, boy, that man is bright side, he could not tell you a lie. No, you couldn't sit out there and tell you a lie, what's that? And when you really get right down to it, the man, them twist and turn the thing them so much that it just mind-boggling. See more the preacher.
Pork shoulder, isn't it?
The preacher tell you some things in the Bible and from him don't scam God on it, you know. You can't say nothing against it. Yeah, man, from him say something and say Revelation 13 verse this and that. And in a Galatians this and that. If you don't scam God on it, you can't say nothing about it.
First we are going to brown them up, we fry them up first.
Analyzing and critically thinking. You realize, but wait, why do we believe all of these things? Because I pick me and me hear continuously. And the whole of my life I hear the same thing. I feel say, because you didn't hear from your pick me, it couldn't wrong. You know how much mistake man make.
You fry it, then you put it in the oven. Some barbecue sauce, some honey, brown sugar.
Since man appear on this planet.
Just you know the secret sauce, you know. Isn't it?
How much cruelty man bring pan other.
I make some, what you call it, baked potato.
Woman choke another woman.
So I bake some potato
Children choke
on the side. And you know, say, I go for a ride, you know what I mean? But you don't know something different, you know what I mean? I hear the same thing every day, man. Isn't it? See there? I wash that now.
And we still can't wake up. We still can't wake up. Somebody just does something by you.
Get your green line when I watch this, isn't it?
Alright, well, I'm going to investigate it. And see if I like me and tell you. Because you can't question him. And I like me, I know when a man don't like when we say call up on the radio and
rings off this time.
And you can't free and talk to no divine entity. They ask them nothing.
Alright, my people.
You must just suck that. And when the preacher come, the preacher reiterate it in him and make him suck it again. And it just become indelible in him consciousness.
Season it now, you know what I mean?
One vice go down there. I like math. But actually math, you can use logic and rational reasoning to decipher out a mathematical situation. You know, when a man tell you say 5 4s and 20, you can decipher that. All you have to do is get some marble or some stone and put it out and figure it out. When the man tell you something,
I'm gonna get your favorite cheese, man. You see me, I say?
I come to say, I'm a prime minister,
season it generously, you see me, I say?
Minister of that.
I'm gonna make a little Saturday night snack.
Yeah, question him. And if you start questioning him,
you just dice, if you just reach ya, you just dice up there. Pork shoulder, you dice it up. That's some chunk. And then little more them switch him and put him in a minister of agriculture. And then them switch it from minister of agriculture and put him in a minister of dung heap. Generously, you see?
So how him reach all of them place there? Him did go study about the dongle.
That's good enough.
The minister of agriculture and anything about agriculture.
Rub it up nice.
The minister of health know anything about health. Him a learn on the job. I learn on the job. None of them have no qualification for what them a do. See, the prime minister have qualification for what become prime minister.
That way it's easy, you know?
You need some more workers who is qualified. All of them need qualification. Because it don't take no qualification to become prime minister. There's no school of prime ministership. There's no school of minister of finance or minister of national security. These things was created by the same man them where drink and dance every weekend also.
Alright,
so what you
potato
know, why
now.
you be the minister of finance, you know? Why you be the minister of
potato
security?
is small.
Them is not soldiers.
That's how them have to go work, you know? But 5 of them are some 4.
But we must suffer all of these things. And when we sit down and question it, we will bring other reasoning.
First we are going to wash them off, you see me?
To what them and say. And we become the enemy of the people.
Wash off, yo.
And we have to
Potato them.
When you get nervous after the setting, where you really truly believe, and we're going to investigate and find out that's so important. Because when you talk, and you talk from a background of reason and reading and knowledge, some people are listening to you, them the business about that. When them come here, them granny and say,
that's it.
and when them come here, the preach and the
You do one.
and that are the right
Your sister one.
So who is me to come question that?
Yeah man, just jam it up. You see me?
Then why you talk about frivolous things? when you hear say, or when you see on Instagram and TikTok and all them something, you know, the
right now the oven preheated already. 375. Around them they just go there, see me?
Until the next thing. And if some of them not see some girl are wind up and down and I show them bottom and all them something, them just push them finger and go to the next thing. If you know some will pick me and dance and I jump up and
show them in the oven.
Something, them just
put them in a file paper, you see me?
Them have to see
that faster.
If you don't hear say this, I say who said that, they say what, they say what, they say.
Put some hole in it so it bake faster too.
You're not interested. You have to hear those things. So when you listen to the media now, it's pure that you hear. The real investigation.
Put some butter and shredded cheese on this with some salt and black pepper.
Who killed who.
Oh my God.
Which man?
Yeah man, I saw the top chef do it in the kitchen man. Look at that.
Knowledge. That will better.
You can subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Welfare of
you see me? TopChefDundyplace.
That kind of knowledge.
TopChefDundyplace on YouTube, my people. Go over there, go subscribe, run it up. We are trying to reach 1,000. You see me? Yeah man, you know what the thing goes.
If you talk about something other than girl, dog, gun,
alright.
in liquor, in spliff.
It's a file paper now.
Anytime you can hear a you can talk about. Why you know so really desire people land. And let them all have the same of that somehow. You know why we ask Martin and that if you feel if you to go work with land and you know, make you share certain things point and I have something.
Yeah, big size.
I hear that piece in the corner. Most of them you can talk about them things in the corner, you know. I have to say, we go come start a business now. No, them a talk about girl, dog, you know, new dance, when this a DJ, when that the DJ, that tuna, when this a tuna, that the tuna. And then know it word for word, just not right, word for word. So we have to chop the skull. Yes.
Line, them a chop motor. No skull.
So,
alright, one drop little oil on it, you see me? Just a little bit. I do some style now, you see me, I say?
You know, in the kingdom of the blind, the one-eyed man is king.
You see, hear that?
In the kingdom of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. And we have some one-eyed man.
Get some cooking oil and drop it on it, see?
We're going to see out of one eye.
I'm teaching you a thing right now. Just look at it in one on it.
A terrible thing. When the preacher come,
you see what I say?
Secret of the Bible.
Wrap it up here now.
And them quote everything in the Bible. Right.
There's some baked potato.
2,000 years.
You see me?
Man, I read that.
Wrap up good. Throw them in the oven just like
how the Old Testament.
Oven hot, you know.
Where the Jew them, where the Israel them call it Torah. Them did not read that long before Jesus born. Because them don't believe that Jesus is the Son of God.
Alright. Look at that. Come on, that's cool now. Make it pop one.
Other than some book from the Old Testament known as the Torah. A Christian call it Holy now. Because they don't want to deal with the paradigm, they want to deal with the New Testament. Matthew, Mark, starting at Matthew, go right to Revelation. So them come with it now, grab the button and run with it. For 2,000 years. And them use it in every way possible where them can use it to gain authority and riches for themselves. Authority and riches for themselves. They have become vampires and the people. And the people don't know. If you know a vampire runs away every night. And if like no Christian just taking 2 tea them jam in and just drink out your blood. And you become fire. No reach a level where they're all over the place by way. And we have now become them while them run down left that now. You know see? Them have to look how to build up them family, how to build up them wealth, how to build up whatsoever is necessary to make them be more powerful. And some way reach for them level, you know, but sometimes I reach for them level, it's like we become them.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
And we start to become the oppressor, like the oppressor. And sometimes even worse
Make
than
the
the
oil
oppressor.
get well hot, you see me and say? We are brown up them thing and now.
Worse. So you have a group of people now who look black. And you and them come from the same area. Because you know the whole of them never born with no gold spoon in their mouth. As the saying goes. Them just look like you. But deep within them, deep within them. Them have a disdain for those who them claim say them have authority over. So them make all sorts of laws and all sorts of things. And most of the people them can't keep them kind of law because of the situation where them put the people them in. The people them can't keep the law because a lot of times the law is not just. It's not just. And you live in a situation where you have to do certain things. And sometimes certain things is unlawful.
Yeah man, but the oil get hot when that the top midnight if you don't know.
Lawlessness. You say that a lot of people find themselves in a situation. Just that. Like the politician them. Look how much things the politician them are doing outside of the law. All these people who sit up every day driving them BMW with them suit and them nice Italian this and Italian shoes and them laptop in some nice beautiful leather cases, going in some tall buildings, sitting down in air condition for 8 hours. What the hell them doing? Because that is where they want to aspire to that. But then them also broke the law. Them broke the law. As a matter of fact, them broke the law more than the people them who them want to arrest for being unlawful. The corruption that is manifested amongst people in authority sometimes is much more than the so-called common man. Yes, there's no justice. And people say, them a cry, them want peace, peace, peace. If you have peace, you have to have justice. His Majesty tell you that there will be no peace until there's equal rights and justice.
Alright, we are caramelize them
and
now.
who among us?
We are brown them up first.
Who amongst us can truly say that he is the authority of what is when the righteousness and the political justice. So the next word for righteousness is justice. We have a group of people who claim justice, but they don't have a clue about it because if they did have justice and if they did it righteous, the situation of the common people would not be like old Caesar right now. Because there's no justice and the righteousness that we receive in them religious procedure. It cannot be found because they're looking for the next man to be done. Instead of put dig deep in themselves and find that to themselves. And sometimes you have to question authority. Most of the time you have to question authority. Because you come in a world where everything's on your wire. And if you keep doing the same thing,
yeah. That rugged. Big up your grandma, you know. Big up grandma. Yeah, man. Some good food that, you know. Sharon, thanks for the share, you know. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we have some potato in the oven, you know. Baked potato tonight with some caramelized pork shoulder, isn't it? You know the thing go. I top chef in the kitchen all night tonight.
Building church and university, deceiving the people continuously, radiating thief and murderers. And that's it I do. That's it I do. You think them youth are scammers for media? You think the youth them want to scam in a year? You remember my little grandson that about 7 years old? But you see my mama on the computer, I said, wait, how will you ever learn that? They have been deceiving the people continuously. And the people them need to wake up. And somehow we are waking up. But we need some quickening of their awakening. We need some quickening of it. It can take too long.
The man want to get them brown, you know what I mean?
Palestine boy, you know. Them say them are Muslim.
Want to get them well brown.
And them are pray to them in the middle of the war when them are jump and thing, you know. The Muslim them from them Islam, the Arab them. Bend up on them knee, kiss the brother and pray. And bomb drop on them same way. So where Allah there? Where Allah there? The Israelites, so them are true. Yahweh, Yahweh. Where is they? When the man farm up a church, farm up a hospital, kill over people, one this, one that. Where Yahweh there? Oh, Allah. The Arab them from the goddamn Jews. All the Jews them God and make them do so much horrible things. We don't see where going people. We don't see them take with you a ride. Them take with you a ride. Because this man a Christian over in America. Most of them are saying them are Christian. And they must support the madness. The man in Iran. Iran is a theocratic state. And they must send bomb and a bomb people said here. So when teaching, when they must teach you there, in all of that. How can man be teaching these elusive dreams of divine intervention? Yes, see, there's no intervention. So man keep doing the mission the same way. Praising God and to the God, the mission is in the name of God.
You get brown. What's the name I say?
And Yahweh. And Christians say Jesus. just continue.
Then we have to put in the oven. So it can get tender, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So much wickedness in the Bible, Rasta. You don't read the Bible where Moses, God, sent Moses in that town and said, must kill the men, women, and children. Wipe them out. You don't read it. Go back and read it. Moses got in the city because God said he must go in there and don't let no one kill the men, women, and children. They know shall God demand them at home right now. In the name of freedom God, because them say freedom land. Them hold up the Torah in the United Nations and say this is a land title. We don't see it, we don't see it. And I'm something here, you know, in the seat. And I don't move in the seat, you know. I don't move it. Oh, all of them have a book that is defining them individually. But the main character in that book just a stand by and watch him and kill off them and and anyone will them tell you so go and ride no see they for them that more powerful. It's like when Moses showed them the rod.
Angie.
The Egyptian showed them the rod.
What you name? Angry Brown. Big up yourself, you know. Welcome to the kitchen.
So right away you say the Egyptian got them loose. I would say that is a sign of how our life going to be. You're not crazy. You're not crazy.
You make a Saturday night snack, you know what I mean?
Yes, you know that. Yes, Hill.
Yeah, water.
Listen.
Listen. You know, I'm going to ask you a little question. Yeah, water artist.
Yeah, one kid.
Yeah, no, because you go I hear some things. What happens when they are things, sometimes I want to do some things.
Yeah, man, so the middle one them brown, and so we want everything brown at every angle. You see me I say?
Them in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you been in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
How long have you been in a wheelchair? No wonder because me and them go on a tour.
Alright.
With some other artists in Europe. A couple years well still.
We are cover the pot so you can cook in the meantime. In the middle we are try to cook everything. You see me I say? So you cook it and steam it and fry it at the same time. You see me I say? So pray the chefs, isn't it?
You get the time to know what to do. I know what to do. So I think my son is right on the young people.
Yeah, you understand?
So we tell some people to watch a man. Some man a live and have a clue to what like. More time when the man drop out 10 years, 5 years after nobody they be in the boat with me. But I have some man tell them say, yo, into the eye. Into when the eye don't see a lifespan. That's truly an year you have to go and call. You're running to go and have this like
a bit too alive now, I can hear it too.
Break in. Me say that I'm coming and talk about doing more time now. You want more long in brother. If you never go on platform, what's that before a million people.
Who never do that yet?
Say you never do that yet.
We never talk in front of
a million people and all them things there.
Who will know talk in front of a million?
Yeah, that's the way the man say.
No, I know, but who them know?
Okay, Martin Luther King, stuff like that.
Martin Luther King, so in front of a million people and talk.
Yeah, that's what I say. But
So what that means, the truth we never talking about a million people, that means I don't have no validity.
Listen, just like when a man that came to me, the way you mean, you know, your shoes. I was a brother. Let me tell you, what about that? The way you mean, you know, your shoes. I was a brother. Let me tell you, what about that? You know, she said there's some great meal business are going on there.
With no Bill Clinton. I wonder where them wives.
Yeah, man. I'm sure.
She got through with that already, still. She got through with him already. The oral sex secretary, but Trump, them call him name, but them not call him name, and I don't really like. You know, but him just tell them. When they Bill Gates.
One of them are the professor.
What up, baby girl?
Professor Bridget, they're wedding at the wheelchair. I've seen them called.
You want no?
Yeah, I know I'm trying to get into this, bro. We live in a world, a great meal around this world.
And them man they decide your feet, you know, them man they
yeah, some of that. The man that go around and take pictures of people and compromise his position and use that to grey meal. You understand? So here, all over little boy when they're Jamaica, them good have him for all kind of things. You understand? No. I tell a man you see in this world, you say anything where you're afraid for people to see you do, man, don't do it. You understand? Because nothing is a secret that is a yellow man. And you don't go around and drink it for people. Get in some compromising situation. You see, and I see, you know, your APAC said them have $100 million for unseat the Palestinian politician of the American. The man them say them have put up $100 million to unseat her, and them offer them $20 million to run against her, and they refuse it.
So one of them resigned, a Palestinian brethren was sent by in America there. They resigned.
Yeah.
And they did a politics.
Yeah, man, you see. I've been through with it, you know. I watch her go on.
Oh gosh, man.
Everything connected, you know. Everything connected.
True in the world 9 to 5. You can't force it long and watch it. Totally.
I hear you. That guy has freedom. Freedom. But freedom is not free, you know?
No, I've never done a interview in Israeli. Done a interview. Like, not trying.
Well, that's going to be good, you know, because the people at Jamaica right now, most of them are just some surface people. They don't understand what the scope of our doing and the international thing, and they know how to connect to that. You understand? They just see a little thing and you think that's where it goes. You know what I mean? You see all the Prime Minister go to Israel and you see take some pictures of white men and you go like you think that is the greatest thing ever. You know? That's why I see the sister with him Cabo. The show around.
Yeah, man, the people want them this color, you know what I mean? And then we'll put them in that over, you see me?
Me and her talk about, we try to listen to others, you know, and them not have nothing like that, you know.
No. So that I tell people are just on surface in Jamaica, a consumer, peer, entertainment, everything are just whiny, music, and you can't live your life, and we see how some of the news people and some thing with them, something just, that's why I wonder why the society still where it's still.
Frivolous.
Why the society? Because nobody not taking nothing serious. Universities them crazy. You know what I mean? The university is supposed to have a set of people I think have a brain staff. How we gonna make the society better? How we can do it? I don't think they do that. And that is the major problem. You understand? I hear you talk 10 years ago when you would do somebody and a brain staff with man. Nobody now do them things anymore. You understand? You see you them just sit on the robot, them and big and them plastic cup and them things. Nobody now do the edify themselves. You know what I mean? Make the world the call the man in a dog and chat.
You can't lick you.
Alright, see.
I can't be charged. I'm going to remain charged. You know me from nowhere.
Them call you.
You know. Him call me charged. You see him a roll with a liquid from the board in a he said, big man, let me your charge, man. Me know your co-defender. Me know you from nowhere. You know what I mean? Because you have to come on and put you in a airplane so you come to be with the
Alright.
You understand?
Alright, the people.
So me not for me. You understand? Word is powerful. You know what I mean? I will believe in that them there. You know what I mean? And just smooth to go and do what you do, you know. And pick up yourself and all these things. So my virgin them out there, you know. I feel fire.
Alright, my people, you see that?
Pick up yourself.
Right now, we are putting in an oven because we want to cook tenderize. You see me I say? So look at now. We are cover it for about 20 minutes. Take off the cover for another 15. Then we put the sauce on. You see me I say? So cover it. I want it tender. When you bite it, you melt, you know what I mean? Alright, in the oven.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know we bad up some sauces. Me I say brown sugar, barbecue, ketchup, and lemon. Is me I say lemon juice. Look at that. We will show you what we are doing next. Yes, my people, see the color what we want. Yeah, man. You don't know after that now. We are going to add with sauce. You see me? Yes, my people, we are going to add with sauce on it now. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Mix it up, throw it back in the oven. You see me I say? Look at that. Alright, my people, we are going to throw it back in the oven, you know. You see me I say? Make it caramelize. But at it again, you know, everything done, you know. At the Top Chef, look at that. That's some pork shoulder. You see me I say? Well barbecue done. Look at that here, man. You don't know the thing go. That's some pork shoulder and some baked potato. Look at that. Let them know say I done the place, you know. Me at the Top Chef, you know. Yeah, man. Subscribe to YouTube. Top Chef done the place and you can know how to cook this. You see me I say? Look at that.